Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Handmade. Today, I'll blow up this mobile home. It'll be an imitation of a gas tank explosion. That's how it looks right now. I will paint it with Tamiya spray paint. First I applied a layer of primer, and then I covered it with blue paint. That's my result.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the go.
It looks very cool. I made it from Plasticine Clay and hard NSP Plastilene. Yeah, I'm really going to blow it up. It will be an imitation on a large-scale model, but it will be a little later. It took me 60 hours to create it. It turned out to be quite large. Its weight is approximately 1.5 pounds. For comparison, most of my cars are of the same size as the DeLorean, which I also made from Plasticine Clay. As you probably already understood, this is the Ford E450 motorhome. I used blueprints and pictures to create it. This mobile home is detailed quite well. Here you can see the interior, dashboard, seats, and steering wheel. In the living room, there is all the furniture, cabinets, tables, a stove for cooking food, and a sink. Also, I placed the character from some previous video. He'll play the role of the dummy. I used the BeamNG.drive game to make the engine more realistic. There is a 3D image of it, so it's easier to replicate it. The same method game I used to make the bottom of the car. Let's take a look at it. Also, I made the fully functioning running gear so the wheels can rotate and it can drive. Here you can see a wick of the firecracker installed inside. It is located under the gas stove. At the modeling stage, I installed it there, so it will imitate a gas tank explosion inside a mobile home. I used kitchen foil to make the plasticine clay keep the desired shape. It's a good strengthening. To make a frame, I took 2 wooden sticks and attached the cabin and the residential part to this frame. I've told you all about this car. Let's move on to the explosion. Some parts of this car flew 5 meters away. It looks like the part of the roof. I went another 5 meters and found a side part of the car body. I think I went too far with this explosion. This is all that is left on the mobile home. I didn't expect that this firecracker would be so powerful. The explosion was very loud, and as you can see, very powerful. There is only the bottom of the car with no furniture. Everything was scattered. There were only leftovers to the sofa. The front seats catapulted immediately. I was planning to do 2 explosions. Damn, I certainly didn't expect this. It's far away from my plan. But it was pretty damn cool and powerful. At least something remains from the front parts. But the hood flew off. As usual, the cabin just vanished. Now I need to look for all these scattered parts. Here I found the details from the cabin, although it isn't so easy to determine what it was. Also, there are various parts of the furniture, the front seat, and here is the mannequin itself. Its legs are slightly damaged, but it is still sitting on this chair. I walked around the area of the explosion. That's all that I could find, all the parts that flew off. There are a lot of them out there. Most of them flew much further away, so they no longer can be found. After the explosion, it's time to show you the process of its creation, step by step. I hope this video was interesting for you. So if you like my unusual plasticine creativity, subscribe to my channel and like the video. I will hone my craft to please you with the new, improved plasticine cars. Thanks for watching my video. See you!